Today, I'm diving into the challenge of rebuilding trust in my life and showing you how losing it has cost me more than I ever realized. Trust is one of those things that you might not think about until it's gone. It plays a critical role in our success, whether that's in our relationships, our careers, or even our personal goals. Losing trust can lead to significant consequences that ripple through different aspects of our lives, and the fallout can be tough to handle. Think about it, how many times have you lost trust in a friend or a colleague? It can happen through a small misunderstanding or a bigger betrayal. When trust is broken, the emotional costs stack up. You start questioning people's intentions, second-guessing your relationships, and feeling that weight of doubt. The financial side isn't too pretty either. If you're in business, one broken trust can cost you clients, partnerships, and ultimately money. Rebuilding that credibility isn't just hard, it takes time and effort, often more than the initial damage. There are plenty of reasons why trust issues arise. One big culprit is communication breakdowns. Ever had that moment where someone didn't say what they meant, or worse, they said one thing and did another? That creates confusion and erodes trust faster than you'd think. Our past experiences also play a big part. If you've been let down before, it can be hard to give trust freely again. For example, if a friend ghosted you after a tough time, it sets a precedent. You may find yourself cautious and hesitant to trust, even when someone new comes into the picture. I remember a time when I had to deal with a major trust breakdown. I was working on a project with my team, and one of my colleagues didn't deliver on a promise. I felt completely blindsided because I thought we were on the same page. That moment made me realize just how vital trust is. It wasn't just about that one project, it affected team morale and made us all second-guess each other's reliability. The scars from that experience took a long time to heal, and we had to put in real effort to rebuild the trust that we lost. Today, let's wrap up what we've talked about. Trust is foundational in every area of our lives. Losing it can lead to emotional strain and financial losses that may last longer than you expect. It's vital to recognize the importance of trust and the long-term effects it can have on your relationships and goals. I'd love to hear your thoughts on trust. Have you experienced a trust breakdown that impacted your life? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in digging deeper into personal growth or building better relationships, be sure to check out my next video.